Welcome to my channel, Mr. Chris, and we are going to talk much about procedure text, and one of them is manual. Okay, check it out.
One day, Karen's laptop decided to shut down, and it wouldn't turn back on. So, she brought it to a repair shop.
Hello, welcome to Samsung's Door. Is there anything that I can help with you for today? Oh, I'm sorry ma'am, but this is a mask restricted area and we really hope that you can put on your mask.
Oh, yeah, whatever.
Thank you. So what's the problem?
Anyways, I just got the latest version of this brand. And suddenly it decided to shut down. Can you fix it for me?
Oh, I'm sorry ma'am. We still haven't sold this kind of brand yet before.
Oh, what do you mean? I thought this was a repair shop and it's your job to fix my stuff. Sorry? What's that sass?
No, okay. I would see what I could do with that.
So, the employee went to the back and grabbed the manual. First, he tried to turn on the laptop on the normal way, but a blue screen suddenly popped up. So, he tried to entering the safe mode. Then, he tried to activate the repair mode, but it still doesn't work. So, he tried to force the power off and then press and hold the power switch for 20 seconds. He tried to restart the laptop, but with all that, it still didn't work. He even tried to look it up on Google.
I'm really sorry ma'am, but I do everything that I could to fix this.
What? What do you mean? Oh, it should be done right now. You wasted my time. Oh, I know. You must be new here, right? Don't you know who am I? I can get you paired. Where's your manager?
Ma'am, I'm sorry, but could you put on your mask first? As I said, this is a mask restricted area.
Because of all the ruckus that Karen made, it attracted the attention of the manager.
What's all the ruckus about?
Oh, you. Where's your manager?
Of course, what can I help you with?
Oh, your manager? I know who he is.
Ma'am, if you keep causing trouble, I won't hesitate to call the security guard.
Oh, but my laptop is still broken and you have to fix it.
Ma'am, again, we do not sell this product here, so please get out before I call the security. Security! Yes, ma'am, what can I do? Can you please escort this lady out of the store?
Meanwhile,
Whoa, what's this?
Why there's no game here?
Okay, after watching the video, there are 4 questions for you. First is, what are they talking about? Okay, and the second, do you find the steps to do something in the dialogue? Tell the steps. And the third, what would be happened if the staff didn't service the woman? And the fourth, are the steps important in doing something and why? Okay, I hope that you can try to answer. Okay, we are going to talk about manual text. What is manual text? Okay, a book or pamphlet that contains information about a program, including the steps how to operate something or piece of hardware. Jadi secara singkat bisa dikatakan bahwa manual itu adalah buku panduan, ya, semacam itu, yang dimana di dalamnya terdapat informasi-informasi mengenai sebuah produk dan bagaimana menjalankan produk tersebut, ya, bagaimana mengoperasikannya. Kemudian bagian berikutnya adalah social function. Ya, apakah social function dari manual text ini? It provides a series of steps in sequence that explain the readers how to do something while allowing them to reach the outcome successfully. Inti yang mau disampaikan di sini bahwa dalam teks manual ini, the writers, ya, ingin menyampaikan tentang bagaimana menjalankan sesuatu atau mengoperasikan sesuatu, ya. Biasanya ini terkait dengan electronic device, ya, dan bisa juga bukan termasuk elektronik, tetapi intinya adalah ada manualnya atau ada panduannya. Kemudian bagaimana generic structure-nya, oke. Nah, ada 3, ya, general structure. Yang pertama adalah goal atau aim, ya. This part of the text describes the purpose of doing or operating something. Jadi yang mau disampaikan di sini adalah bahwa di dalam manual text itu ada bagian awal biasanya tentang tujuan, ya, dari melakukan atau mengoperasikan sesuatu. Kemudian yang kedua adalah material atau equipment, ya. Biasanya dalam procedure text, saya mau sampaikan bahwa manual text ini merupakan bagian dari procedure text, ya. Oleh karena itu ada material di sini, tetapi pada umumnya kalau manual text itu tidak membutuhkan material, ya, atau barang-barang, karena memang itu adalah berisi panduan bagaimana menjalankan sesuatu. Kemudian yang ketiga adalah steps atau methods. This part describes the set of instructions in order to achieve the goal. Jadi di bagian ini berisi berbagai macam instructions atau perintah-perintah, ya, untuk melakukan sesuatu untuk mencapai tujuan, ya, dari suatu tindakan. Kemudian bagaimana dengan language features-nya atau unsur kebahasan dalam manual text. Oke. Nah, kita temukan di sini adalah ada beberapa, ya, ada kurang lebih sekitar 6. Yang pertama adalah menggunakan simple present tense. Yang kedua ada adverbial of sequence or using temporal adjective like first, second, last. Kemudian imperative sentence or command like pass the salt, move out of my way, shut the front door, etc. Kemudian action verbs, for example, turn, put, cut. Conjunctions, ya, like such as, then, after that, and then adverb of time, ya, misalnya for 5 minutes, into hours, dan lain-lain. Kemudian ini adalah contoh, dari manual text. How to insert SIM card to cell phone, ya. Nah, kalau kalian lihat di sini di bagian awal itu ada informasi sedikit tentang cell phone. Kemudian cell phone ini tidak bisa berjalan andai kata ya belum dimasukkan SIM cardnya, ya. Dalam arti bahwa SIM card ini memang sangat penting banget ya supaya bisa menjalankan cell phone tersebut, dan di dalamnya harus ada instruksi atau apa ya tahapan-tahapannya ketika memasukkan SIM cardnya. Dan di situ ada sekitar berapa ya, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ya, 5 tahap. Nah, kurang lebih ini adalah bagian dari gambaran mengenai manual text. Jadi intinya di sini adalah buku panduan yang berisi some instructions atau program secara keseluruhan produk yang ada ya. Dan biasanya ini dikeluarkan oleh perusahaan atau produsen ya, bisa dikatakan begitu ya, yang mengeluarkan produk tertentu supaya nanti end users atau penerima produk tersebut tahu bagaimana menjalankan produk yang dibeli tersebut ya, kurang lebih itu. Okay, so I think that that's all about manual text. Then I hope that you have understood about the manual text, and see you next coming video. Bye bye.